Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to the channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. Please don't forget to press the bell icon if you subscribe to the channel, so you'll receive all the notification what I am posting on my community tab. Usually the small updates I will provide in my community tab. As everyone knows, currently there is profit booking going on in the index stocks. Now you can see here, while we are referring to the Sensex, almost a similar trend you can see here, which was in May 2021. So after that, the Sensex got gained almost 22%. So we can observe the similar trend. We can observe here in May there was almost correction of 5.26%. Now you can see here that almost 4.5% correction already done, 4.84% correction already done. So after that there will be a rally. It will hit our previous high. You can refer to my videos, earlier video. So already I have provided a Nifty prediction for 2030. You can watch that video. So now we are going to discuss about a wealth creator stock number 34. Already I have provided 33 videos. This is the 34th video, and the stock series contains 50 videos. All these 50 stocks are the premium stocks in Indian stock market. These stocks will move ahead only. So while I started this series, I told that there will be 5 videos free to my subscribers, and the remaining 45 videos will be available exclusive to my members from Elite onwards. So this is that video. This is the 4th video. Already I have provided 3 videos to my subscribers as free. You can see stock number 1 SIP01 already I have provided. That was 1 month before, and 3 weeks before I provided stock number 12 I provided, and I provided stock number 24 SIP24. You can find here. This is the stock number 34. This will be available to all my subscribers. So I want everyone to be good investor in Indian stock market, and everyone need to gain. So to that we need to maintain our portfolio in such a way that it should not be crashed even there is a market crash. Just before I told you there is correction in the index. It was happened. It's going to be end now, and the index is going to be gained again. So we have to take the advantage. At this time what we have to do is, we have to, whenever we find a correction in the index, we have to keep on accumulating the wealth creator stocks. This is something like an SIP. So whatever you have gained from your short time recommendations and also the multi-bagger stock recommendations, you have to, this is a time we should switch to wealth creator stock. So that will be your fixed deposit in Indian stock market. So let us go into the video. So our 34th stock is APL Apollo Tubes Limited. In past 5 years the company has given almost 955.04% gain. Still the company will move ahead because APL Apollo Tube is a market leader, and they are holding the market share of 50% in steel tubes and also PEB. So I will explain you that. And before that, the company was started in 1986 and headquartered in Ghaziabad, India. You can see here what are the products of APL Apollo Tubes. Already I told you APL Apollo Tubes is a market leader, and they are holding more than 50% of Indian steel market. So the company is moving ahead. I will show you, I will explain you, and I will explain you why this company is a wealth creator. So why we want to buy this stock and accumulate it. Why we don't want to book profit on APL Apollo Tube. So I will explain you all these things. And please don't forget to watch all the remaining 49 videos in this series, and create a watch list of all these 50 stocks and keep on accumulating. Whenever you have fund, every month spend some money to accumulate all these 50 stocks. So this will lead your life in coming years. Maybe after 10 years, if you look back, you will be a rich person. So at that time you will remember me and also my channel. So everyone want to be a perfect investor in Indian stock market. This is my motive. If you have any concern, you can feel free to write to me on my email address, and also you can comment on any video. I'll try my best to answer all these queries. And please don't forget to refer to my membership plan. There are 3 memberships are available: Elite, Emerald and Ruby. All the Ruby members, they will receive all multi-bagger stock recommendations and also Wealth Creator Stock Series access, and also they will receive short-term recommendations. We follow only fundamental. Even including our short-term recommendations, we follow only the fundamental of the company and never we will entertain the gambling. So I can assure that no need to be active during the market hours, because nothing is going to be happen in one day or two. So no need to track on every day, because we follow the fundamental in stock market and we will follow our channel ethics, because we don't want to lose our capital and we need to gain. There are many channels, they recommend without knowing even the company's fundamental and also whether the company is on the value buy zone. Simply they are creating the video and giving to the public, and there are many investors, they don't know really what is the value of the company, and just they will look behind the penny stocks and they will go ahead. Sometimes the penny stocks are also overpriced, because always we have to calculate what is the company's market capitalization and whether the stock is worth to buy at that level or not. So please don't look at the share price, and each stock having its own reason to trade at that level. So let us go into the video. You can refer to my community tab. Already I have provided all these details. You can find that, and please don't forget to refer to the membership options. And while we are coming back to the APL Apollo 2, I told you the company's products. If you see the company's product, company is in everything. That means already I told you the company is having 50% of Indian market share. How many brands are there with the company? And company into the production of variety of metal products, including the pre-engineering structures, and also they are importing and also they are exporting to the global market. So you can go through this and you can find that the number of brands they handle and also their product range. So you can see that. I'm not going into the details. Apollo Structural, Apollo Izzet, Apollo Galva, Apollo Standard, Apollo Exclusive, Apollo Concept, Apollo Tricot is also a subsidiary of APL Apollo 2, but still it is listed in Indian stock market. So the market share is 50%. Already I told you APL Apollo 2 is the India's #1 structural steel tube company. I told you that, and the capacity is 2.6 metric ton capacity, and they are having 10 plants in India, and they are having 800 plus distributors around India, and they are having 2213 employees. They are having 16 patents. These are the very important thing: market share and also the patents. These two are most important thing, and they are having 75 registered trademarks. So this is a potential of the company. Why we need to buy this company? So this is a reason. Always I am saying, please don't invest in stocks. Always understand about the company and invest in a stock. All these 50 stocks I recommended as a wealth creator, it is based on the company's potential and the future growth. So all these companies will move ahead. This is a reason I told you, please don't book profit, keep on accumulating like an SIP. So if you are having a mutual fund, please close it and keep on accumulating it. So this will give you high return, almost 3 times or 4 times than the mutual fund or any other SIP in the industry, because SIP and mutual fund are only beneficial to the corporate, those who are operating it, not to us. We are retailers, and if you want to take profit, we have to think ourselves. So try to create a watch list of all these 50 stocks and keep on accumulating. So I will explain you why I recommended. Already I told you about the company APL Apollo Tubes. All these 50 companies are like that. They are good in the industry, and you can see here September 2021 company is holding 36.84%. Company is maintaining almost a similar promoter holding. And while we are coming to the company's reserve and surplus, you can see in past 5 years, in 2017 company was having 679 crore reserve was there. It becomes 814 crore in March 2018. It becomes 940 crore in 2019. 1322.20 crore in March 2020. It becomes 1660 65 crore in March 2021. You can see the growth. Almost it becomes 3 times in past 5 years. And when we are coming to the company's income statement for past 5 years, you will get surprised. You can see here, March 2017, company was having 3,923 crore sale was there. And the company's profit was 152 crore profit was there. You can see the profit margin was almost 5%. And it becomes 5,334 crore in 2018 and 7,152 crore in March 2019, and in 2020 it becomes 7,723 crore, and in March 2021 it becomes 8,499 crore. Here also the company made almost 3 times growth in sales. Already I told you about the company's profit margin. Company's profit margin is almost 5% of their sales. You can see here, for 3,923 crore they made the profit of 152 crore, and while we are coming to 8,499 crore of the current sale, company is made almost 409 crore profit. And you can see here that every year the company is paying dividend, almost 12 to 14 rupees per share company is paying dividend, and company is paying bonus. In 2017 company made bonus, and also in August 2021 company made bonus. I was recommended APL Apollo Tube, and almost all my Ruby members are beneficial of this, so they got this bonus and they are holding it. And also the company made stock split 10:2 in December 2020. So all this bonus and also company's dividend are other than the stock price growth, which we have seen here of 982% in past 10 years. So everyone, those who hold APL Apollo 2 will get dividend every year. This will be a additional income. So it's a growing company, and currently the stock is trading at 924 rupees per share, and keep on accumulating it. Please don't look at the current market price, and please don't look at company's 52-week high or 52-week low. Keep on accumulating it whenever you have fund, because the earlier low you will not find in coming years, and also company will keep on growing. So we have to consider all the stock on that way, all these 50 stocks on that way, and you can keep on accumulating whenever you have fun. So currently you can see here the current market capitalization is 23,141 crore is the current market capitalization of APL Apollo Tubes, and current book value per share is 73.14 rupees per share, and current face value is 2 rupees. So include APL Apollo Tubes in your wealth creator watch list. Please don't invest in 1 or 2 companies. Try to create the watch list of all these 50 stocks. It is worthy enough. Please refer to the Elite membership, and you will get the access to the wealth creator watch list. And during this 1 month, try to refer to all these 50 videos and create a watch list, and this will lead your investment in coming years. So please don't think about the losses. Please don't get panic when the market crash is happening. Take it as an advantage and keep on accumulating it. And you can refer to the Nifty prediction what I was provided 2 months back. So the stock price will move ahead on coming years, and the Indian stock market also will move ahead on coming years. So you have to take benefit of that, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would like to be very unique, and please don't forget to press the bell icon while you subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much.